Facebook Marketing Strategies 2024 Engagement Boosting Secrets Revealed. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Bruka Knowledge of Digital Marketing. Today, we're going to be talking about undercover Facebook marketing strategies for 2024 to help you skyrocket engagement, master marketing, and boost sales. Facebook is still the social media giant with a massive user base. Staying on top of Facebook trends to capture customers is still a must-have skill for business captains. However, Facebook algorithms change like the wine, so today's undercover secrets might be outdated tomorrow. That's why staying up to date on the latest trends is crucial for your undercover strategy to always be highly effective. Unleash the undercover secrets to rock Facebook in 2024. 1. High-quality videos, the ultimate engagement booster. Videos are the kings of Facebook content, capturing everyone's attention. Create high-quality videos, stay on top of trends, and provide valuable content to viewers. Explore trending video formats like Reels, Lives, or long-form videos to diversify your content arsenal. 2. Get lost in Facebook groups, the secret to finding potential customers. Join Facebook groups that are highly relevant to your business niche. Share helpful knowledge and enthusiastically help others to build strong relationships. Subtly integrate your brand and product introductions. 3. Awesome Facebook ads, the secret to reaching potential customers effectively. Define your potential customers accurately. Create eye-catching ads that grab attention and make a lasting impression. Use Facebook's targeting features to reach the right people at the right time. 4. Killer engagement, the secret to retaining customers. Respond quickly and enthusiastically to customer comments and messages. Professionally and politely address customer complaints and feedback. Build long-lasting, loyal relationships with customers. 5. Data analysis, the secret to elevating your strategy. Use Facebook's analytics tools to track the performance of your undercover campaigns. Analyze data to better understand customer behavior. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected to optimize performance. With these undercover secrets, you can completely revolutionize your Facebook marketing strategy for 2024. Remember, creativity, high-quality content, and effective engagement are the golden keys to success on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos on marketing and business. Don't forget to leave a comment below to share your Facebook marketing tips.